Okay, today's video is going to be about fake plants. Fake plants to help decorate your house. I like them. I know a lot of people object to fake plants. I don't. I like them. And in some instances, I need them. This is not fake. This is real. That's the ZZ plant. I've had that for several years. And right now it's in the corner and getting bigger and bigger. It's been on a few of my videos. Fiddle leaf fig, I've not had very long, but that one's not real. I think these days the artificial plants are getting better and better, and they can be used in your decor and help make your house look nice. Now, you know the Madagascar palm. Recently made a video about that, planting it up. That's real. And I will kind of give you a little glance over about some of these plants. This is not. But I think it is very, very realistic. I think I got that at a thrift store for 99 cents. I'm not passing that up. I think, let me step over in the light. I think that's cute as a button. But anyway, of course my aloe, you know that plant's real. And of course that cactus is real. But then, you know, these are ceramic just for decorative purposes. But a lot of these are fake. But I think they look very, very real. These, my moonshine, they're real. And of course, a lot of these aren't. My haworthia that I've had for years and years, and it's multiplied, that's real. But some of these artificial ones are so pretty just to have to decorate. I like that. Nice looking plant. So you do you, but I like that. I even have kind of some large ones. I don't know what kind of plant that is, but that's not real. And I have it mostly just to block a spot on the wall. That's the old access to the shower. That way, if there's ever any kind of problems on the other side of the wall, we can take care of that. But what I wanted to show you today is something that I'm working on right now. I got this fake plant. It's a huge jade plant. And I do mean high. I think it looks overall very, very real. And I put it over here by the fireplace. I have a little stool there. There's a vent there. You know, we've got to heat the place, but that's a gas fireplace. And so up here, I have a lot of little plants sitting, and they're not real. They're not real because it gets so hot up here, nothing could live. And I don't want to change my whole decor just based on there being heat up here. So all of those are fake. And I like it. But anyway, that one's real. That's my vine in the terrarium, and it's gone all over. But anyway, I'm getting distracted. This is my container. I got this on a clearance for $12 at Marshall's. I hope that's readable. And I think it was a bargain for this size of a large ceramic planter. And what I have currently in it is this jade plant. It sets down in it, but to me it's too low. And I wanted to figure out something to put in it to fill it up, and what I came up with are the Leca pebbles, clay pebbles. I ordered these from Amazon. I can put a link to that on the show notes under this video, but this is the things that you can grow plants in. Hydroponics, aquaponics, and soilless cultivation. But I thought they would be perfect as a top dressing for this. Now, since I wanted this to kind of be at a higher level, oh, let me get that out of there. This thing is in a weighted pot and it's very heavy. Since I wanted this to be on a higher level, I had the foam blocks and everything else to put in there. Nothing was exactly the right level. But what I've ended up working out, this cereal bowl will go down in here. And then a set of 2 saucers is needed to make it be as high as I want the level to be, so that it gets just the right level. So let me put it back in there and I will show you. There. Now that is the right level to me. That's what I think will look the best. So let me put the pebbles into it and then we'll see what that looks like. Okay, now here is the plant all set up where I want it. And these Leca balls are small enough to fall down into those little nooks and crannies down there. So here we go. Whoa, I'm making a mess. Okay, let me come around this side. Oh yeah, it's getting really embedded in there. They're going down low. Swivel it one more time. One more little shift. Okay. I think I'm going to be chasing those little balls all over the place. looks good. Now I think I'm going to give it a little bit of here, let me let you see it. It's all down in there, and I'm just going to kind of give it a, whoops, it's too heavy to wiggle, but I think everything has gone way down in there, sort of to keep it real steady and firm in there. Oh yeah, I think that's gonna work. Okay, and this particular container is, I think it was 8 quarts. So I think that would do it. So let me put it back where it goes. Now, I am going to put it back over here by the fireplace where it goes. Heavens, there. Let me see. That her best side. I think I like that. In fact, I think I have to like that because since she weighs 300 pounds now, it would be up to my son to have to move that for me. So what do you think? I should have the fireplace on to make this look even better. But I think that looks good. Just the right size. It won't be hurt by the vent. It won't be hurt by the fire. And I think it blends just perfectly. And it looks real. The fake plants are looking more and more real every day. So I like it. I'll show you another I have already done too. Over here on a riser is a pot full of the same balls, and it has a prickly pear. I think that looks good. That's entirely fake too. Bristles and all. I like it. It looks good. I have lots of real plants, lots of fake plants. I just can't give them up. Look how pretty that one is. I love that plant. I like that color of that vase. I like the green plant in it. It's just a swatch. Just a swatch that looks wonderful. Look how pretty that looks. And I'll take that any day because it makes for a nice decor. So let me see. Now I do have real all over the place. Real. It's not that I'm lacking in the real department. I just like the way the fake plants look. So you might want to try that too. Just to blend in with your other plants. Real, fake. That is a fake piece of wood. Real. I'm sorry, fake. Sorry. Real. So, I don't go all fake. Real. real. Real, real. Real. Glass. Those are not real. Fake, cute topiary for decor. And you've already seen these in videos. But you might want to try some of those for your house too. I like them. But I'll see you on the next video on the weekend. I've changed my mind. This isn't right. I can do better. It needs a more substantial stool, like that one. Less swap. Much better. Much better. The substantial stool is much better. Loving it.